Hey Tigers, first and foremost, welcome to Clemson. My name's Eric and I want to encourage you to register for the Jumpstart Workshop program presented by the Academic Success Center. The Jumpstart Workshops will be presented the Tuesday before classes start, which is going to be August the 18th this year. You can successfully transition to Clemson by participating in workshops where you can hear from professional faculty and staff, ask questions, and interact with your fellow students. Learn strategies to proactively prepare for courses including science, math, foreign language, college-level writing skills, conducting research, success strategies, and many, many more. To register, all you have to do is go to our website at www.clemson.edu/ASC and click the Register for Workshops button on the homepage. Once you get to that screen, all you do is log in with your new Clemson credentials and register for the workshop that you're interested in. We hope to see you there.